Most hunters believe the hunting rifle world barely changes from year to year. Same calibers, same bolt actions, same brands, rotating the same features. But here's the real question for 2026. When conditions are bad, your hands are cold, your heart rate is up, and the shot actually matters. Which rifle truly delivers confidence instead of excuses? As we step into a new year, this list is not about hype, influencers, or showroom appeal. It is about real field performance, stopping power you can trust, and rifles that make sense for experienced shooters, especially those who value comfort, simplicity, and reliability as the years go by. Before we start, Happy New Year to everyone watching. I hope 2026 brings you safe hunts, steady hands, and unforgettable moments outdoors. Drop your New Year wishes for fellow hunters in the comments below and spread some positivity before we dive in. Now, let's break down the top 8 hunting rifles for 2026, ranked from number 8 to number 1, based on overall strength, effectiveness, popularity, and real-world usability. Number 8. CVA Cascade XT. The CVA Cascade XT earns its place at number 8, not because it is flashy, but because it delivers honest performance at a price point many hunters can realistically afford. Priced around $550 to $650 USD, depending on caliber, the Cascade XT is built around a 3-lug bolt action with a short bolt throw that feels controlled and predictable, especially for older shooters who value smooth operation over speed. The rifle typically weighs around 6.8 pounds bare, making it light enough for long walks, but not so light that recoil becomes uncomfortable. Most models feature a 22-inch barrel, factory-threaded 5/8 CS24, and are chambered in popular hunting calibers like .308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and .3006 Springfield. Real-world accuracy consistently sits around 1 MOA, with quality factory ammunition, which is more than sufficient for ethical hunting distances. The synthetic stock is simple, well-shaped, and surprisingly comfortable from standing, kneeling, or supported positions. This is not a prestige rifle, but it is dependable, easy to maintain, and forgiving to shoot. For hunters who want reliable stopping power without complexity or high cost, the Cascade XT proves that practical rifles still matter in 2026. Number 7. Weatherby Vanguard. Coming in at number 7, the Weatherby Vanguard remains one of the most trusted workhorse hunting rifles on the market, especially among experienced and older shooters who prioritize consistency over trends. With an average price between $650 and $750 USD, the Vanguard is built on a proven 2-lug bolt action that feels solid, deliberate, and confidence-inspiring. It typically weighs around 7.5 pounds bare and features a 24-inch cold hammer forged barrel, which contributes to its reputation for excellent velocity and consistent accuracy. Chamberings include 270 Winchester, 308 Winchester, .3006 Springfield, and 6.5 Creedmoor, all well suited for North American big game. Sub-MOA accuracy is common with quality factory ammunition, and the 3-position safety is especially appreciated in the field when loading or unloading. The stock design favors stability and recoil control rather than lightweight minimalism, making it easier on the shoulder during longer shooting sessions. The Vanguard is not trendy, not lightweight, and not trying to impress anyone on paper. It simply works, year after year, in cold, dust, and rain. That quiet reliability is exactly why it remains popular and earns its spot on this list. Number 6. Ruger American Gen 2. At number 6, the Ruger American Gen 2 represents one of the smartest refinements of a budget-friendly hunting rifle in recent years. With pricing typically ranging from $500 to $650 USD, the Gen 2 improves on the original American by addressing real-world complaints without sacrificing affordability. The rifle weighs approximately 7.3 pounds bare and features a 3-lug bolt with a short, smooth throw that clears optics easily and cycles reliably even in poor conditions. Barrel lengths vary by caliber, but commonly sit around 22 inches, with most models offering factory threading. Popular chamberings include 308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and 243 Winchester. The biggest improvement is the stock, which is noticeably more rigid and includes adjustable length of pull, a major advantage for older shooters seeking proper fit and recoil control. Accuracy typically falls right around 1 MOA with quality ammunition, and recoil remains very manageable. The Ruger American Gen 2 is not refined or luxurious, but it is easy to shoot, easy to maintain, and extremely forgiving. That combination of comfort, availability, and reliability explains why it continues to be one of the most widely owned hunting rifles in America. Number 5, Bergara B14 Squared Crest. Ranked at number 5, the Bergara B14 Squared Crest marks the point where this list clearly shifts from budget practicality into performance-driven hunting rifles. With an average street price around $1,100 to $1,300 USD, this rifle is built for shooters who care deeply about accuracy and repeatability in real field conditions. The B14 action is smooth, controlled, and extremely consistent, feeding reliably from AICS pattern magazines, even when shooting from awkward or improvised positions. Most configurations weigh approximately 7.1 pounds bare and feature a 22-inch barrel, depending on caliber. Common chamberings include 308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and 6.5 PRC sub-MOA. Accuracy is not a bonus with this rifle. It is the expectation with quality factory ammunition. The carbon fiber stock keeps weight down while maintaining rigidity, which helps older shooters maintain stability without excessive fatigue. Recoil impulse is predictable and easy to manage, allowing confident follow-up shots. The squared crest is not designed to look tactical or aggressive. It is designed to deliver precise shot placement when conditions are less than ideal. For hunters who value results over brand image, Bergara continues to earn its reputation the hard way, through performance. Number 4, Tikka T3X Lite. At number 4, the Tikka T3X Lite remains one of the most universally respected hunting rifles on the market, especially among experienced hunters who appreciate simplicity and mechanical excellence. Priced between $700 and $850 USD, the T3X Lite delivers performance far beyond what its lightweight profile suggests. The rifle weighs roughly 6.5 pounds bare and features a famously smooth bolt action with a short throw that clears optics effortlessly. Barrel lengths typically run 22 to 24 inches depending on caliber, with popular options including 270 Winchester, 308 Winchester, 3006 Springfield, and 6.5 Creedmoor. Accuracy is consistently excellent, with sub-MOA groups being common using factory ammunition. The synthetic stock is lightweight, but stiff enough to remain stable from prone or supported positions. Recoil management is surprisingly good for such a light rifle, making it comfortable for older shooters during extended range sessions. The T3X Lite does not demand attention or adjustment from the shooter. It simply performs quietly and reliably, hunt after hunt. That predictability is exactly why it remains one of the most trusted rifles heading into 2026. Number 3. Fierce Rogue. Taking the number 3 spot, the Fierce Rogue begins to blur the line between factory rifle and custom-level performance, with pricing typically ranging from $1,800 to $2,200 USD. This rifle is built for hunters who want lightweight handling without sacrificing precision. Most configurations weigh around 6.5 pounds bare and feature a carbon fiber stock designed to fit naturally in real-world shooting positions. Barrel lengths commonly fall around 22 inches, with chamberings such as 308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, 6.5 PRC, and 300 Winchester Magnum. The action cycles smoothly with a controlled, short bolt throw, and the trigger breaks cleanly with minimal take-up. Accuracy is where the Rogue truly stands out, with half-mo performance being realistic rather than theoretical. Recoil is exceptionally well managed for a rifle this light, which helps maintain confidence during follow-up shots. The Fierce Rogue is not meant for beginners or casual owners. It is for shooters who know exactly what they want and demand precision without excess weight. Its growing popularity reflects that serious hunters recognize real performance when they feel it behind the trigger. Number 2. Browning XBOLT Pro. Ranked at number 2, the Browning XBOLT Pro represents one of the most balanced hunting rifles available today. With an average price between $1,600 and $1,900 USD, it offers premium materials without becoming impractical or overly specialized. The rifle weighs approximately 6.8 pounds bare and features a fluted barrel typically measuring 22 to 24 inches depending on caliber. Common chamberings include 308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, 270 Winchester, and 300 Winchester Magnum. The short bolt throw is smooth and deliberate, feeding reliably from Browning's rotary magazine system. Accuracy consistently falls into sub-MOA territory with quality ammunition. The carbon fiber stock remains rigid while reducing overall weight, and the recoil pad does an excellent job of softening felt recoil. This makes the XBOLT Pro particularly appealing to older hunters who want power without punishment. It feels refined without being fragile and capable without being demanding. That combination of comfort, precision, and reliability explains why the XBOLT Pro continues to earn strong loyalty among serious hunters. Number 1. Sako S20. Earning the top spot for 2026, the Sako S20 stands out as the most adaptable and confidence-inspiring hunting rifle on this list, with pricing typically ranging from $1,700 to $2,100 USD. The S20 delivers premium performance with unmatched adjustability. The rifle weighs around 8.2 pounds bare, offering stability without becoming cumbersome. Barrel lengths generally measure 24 inches, and popular chamberings include 308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and 6.5 PRC. What truly separates the S20 is its modular stock system, allowing shooters to adjust length of pull, cheek height, and grip angle for a perfect fit. This is especially valuable for older shooters seeking comfort and consistent shooting posture. The action is exceptionally smooth and controlled, and accuracy commonly reaches half MOA with quality factory ammunition. Recoil is well managed, follow-up shots are steady, and confidence builds quickly behind the rifle. The Sako S20 does not force the shooter to adapt. It adapts to the shooter. That flexibility, combined with proven accuracy and reliability, makes it the most complete hunting rifle heading into 2026. That wraps up our top 8 hunting rifles for 2026, ranked not by hype or trends, but by real-world strength, effectiveness, and the rifles hunters continue to trust year after year. Now, I want to hear from you. Which rifle on this list would you take into the field? And which one has already earned your loyalty? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to leave a New Year message for your fellow hunters watching along with you. If you found value in this breakdown, hit like, subscribe for more straight field-focused reviews, and share this video with someone who takes hunting seriously. This is Alpha Gun Review. Stay safe, shoot straight, and I will see you in the next one.